So we're back in my office, and this is where all the actual engineering happened. This is actually one of the prototype systems in my hand. On the top is an Arduino shield. This was a prototype shield. The resistor, the green resistor on the board, is 51.1 ohms. This is what gives you the accurate measurement. These are Arduino pins that were connected onto the Arduino footprint of SciPi. SciPi is the first printed circuit board I ever designed. On the top side, you've got Arduino pins, and on the bottom side, you've got the same connector as on the GPIOs of the Raspberry Pi. On the bottom side is a Raspberry Pi. It's a remarkable device. It can do many things, and it's super inexpensive. And I use I2C from the Raspberry Pi to talk to the PSoC 4. The PSoC 4 is set up as an I2C slave, and the Raspberry Pi once a minute asks the PSoC 4 how deep is the water. After it's done that, it inserts that depth into a MySQL table that's stored on the flash card that's on the device. And then while that is going on, there's also a web server, a Tomcat web server that runs on this device that's exposed through that long network that I showed you, that lets you get to the device from the internet to see how deep the water is. I use JFree Chart and Java to create the tables and the charts that you can see on the website.